19-year-old Melissa Trotter was strangled and left in the woods more than 20 years ago. Her killer was sentenced to die, but has avoided lethal injection 5 times thanks to successful appeals. His 6th execution date is just weeks away, but Larry Swearingen's attorneys say they're not done fighting.
Investigator Robert Arnold has been tracking this story and this case for years. Tonight he focuses on the evidence and on Swearingen's latest attempt to avoid execution.
December 8, 1998, 19-year-old Melissa Trotter disappears from what is now the Lone Star campus near the Woodlands. July 2000, Larry Ray Swearingen is convicted of kidnapping, raping, and murdering Trotter. He receives a death sentence.
It's got to end for justice to be done.
We're going to challenge it all over again.
In the nearly 2 decades Larry Ray Swearingen has been on death row, he's maintained his innocence.
How many times have you dealt with appeals from Swearingen?
Well, I've been personally involved with 3 appeals.
Former Montgomery County prosecutor Warren DeProm.
If we had a reasonable doubt about his guilt, we wouldn't be here.
There should have been a retrial long ago in this case.
Defense attorney James Ridding.
Do you plan to appeal again on his behalf?
Yes, we do.
Central to Swearingen's argument is Melissa's time of death.
We believe that his conviction rests on a pile of junk science.
Melissa disappeared December 8th. Swearingen was arrested December 11th. Melissa's body was found January 2nd. At trial, prosecutors say Melissa was found in a remote area of the Sam Houston National Forest. She had been dead approximately 3 weeks.
All of that is now known to be just bad science.
Ridding says the state got it wrong, and at least 6 forensic pathologists gave sworn statements Melissa was dumped in the woods after Swearingen was arrested.
So far, any of those opinions that have been scrutinized under oath in a hearing on the stand haven't held up.
Blackburn says those defense experts gave varying times of deaths and, as he argues, made their opinions in a vacuum.
You have to look at it within the totality of all the evidence that was presented and determine, okay, how credible do you think this is?
Blackburn is talking about what he calls a mountain of circumstantial evidence. Degraded surveillance video shows Swearingen and Melissa talking for 2 hours at the North Shore Marina, his red truck parked next to her blue car 2 days before her disappearance. They made a lunch date. Swearingen was seen with Trotter on campus the day she disappeared.
Her hair fibers were found in his truck. A lighter and cigarettes found at his house that she was seen with that day that she disappeared.
Why did he kill her?
Because she didn't want to have sex with him.
Her torn-up school papers were found after she disappeared on a street where Swearingen's family lived. One of the biggest pieces of evidence? Half a pair of pantyhose used to strangle Melissa.
The other half of the pantyhose that was used to kill her was found in his trash at his house.
And jurors saw this exhibit showing the 2 halves matched along a cut line.
The pantyhose absolutely do not match.
Ridding says when imaging experts used photos of the 2 halves, it was not a fit. Ridding is also challenging cell phone evidence the day Melissa disappeared and puts Swearingen along the route from his house to where her body was found.
There is no way to place him, as the state maintained they could, in very discrete parts of the county.
They keep on coming up with the same thing. As far as an argument, they tweak it a little bit, and every time it gets shot down, but they come back with more.
Ridding has raised some of these arguments in the past. None has convinced the courts there still needs to be a retrial. This time, Ridding is appealing based on a relatively new state law allowing for a retrial if it can be proven a conviction was based on bad science.
This wasn't a scientific case. There was a lot more circumstantial evidence that connected him to this case.
Does the DA's office have any concerns at all that this may not be the guy who murdered Melissa Trotter?
Zero concerns.
Some of Swearingen's stays of execution were because of these appeals. Another was for a clerical error. The most notable stay came from a botched plan where Swearingen tried to get another death row inmate to take credit for Melissa's murder. His 6th execution date is scheduled for August 21st. Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.